2.
It's amazing. You know what I like is when people say, hey, it's literally, and then say something is absolutely absurd. It's literally not. Having said that, it's literally 1,000,000 degrees out here and like 128% humidity. Ugh. I got the camel back here, got the water. This thing is slightly wet still because, like, of course, you know, what do you do with a camelback when you get home? It's muddy, it's got your old water pack, and you just throw it in the corner, and it's mildew and dried mud, and you're an idiot, and that's what you do. So now check this out, I got flying eyes. None of this silly do it with Dan crap here. Now these actually serve a very much cooler purpose, and let me show you that. Flexible tips. I don't think I ever look good once I have like my face in the helmet here. That's why you gotta have the tinted visor. Super cool, what's up? Hey guys! Flying Eye sent me these things, and they were literally designed to go inside of a helmet. They apparently made these things originally for like jet fighters or something, so obviously they're designed to go into a helmet. You gotta have the flexible ends, and it's just not like, I've had glasses where I can get them into a helmet, but it's like, it kind of hurts as they go by. You gotta have, it's alright. So you gotta have the uber flexible tips. They come with high quality lenses, with polycarbonates and impact resistance and whatnot, which you need for motorcycle glasses. Of course, I'm gonna go get these taken out because they're also compatible for prescriptions. Maybe I need a haircut too. We'll deal with that another day. I need glasses, guys. My vision isn't terrible by any means, but it's enough that I actually do not ride when it gets dark out because I don't have glasses. And at night, without my glasses, it's a little bit, that's where it gets kind of rough. They've been setting me up with one of them discount codes. I really wanted to get the discount code to be like pushover Dan's glasses or something funny like that, but it's just Jake. Let's get going.
Yeah, dude, like, you know, there's no 1 hour lenses anymore. What happened to that? When did that stop being a thing? What if I lose my glasses on vacation? I didn't bring a spare. Anyway, there's this place up here. It's like the only one I know of. And they got safety lenses up there. These glasses are designed to be, you know, impact safety motorcycle ones, so you can't just replace it with some willy-nilly bullshit. Mate, it's hot! You can save some money with coupon code Cow Pattern GTR. Coupon code Little Eggs. Off this horse. No, understand, people. My air conditioning is moving quickly. Sherman, Texas. Sure, man. Brings back sad memories because it's where I sold the WR. Again, another one. I swear it's gonna happen. What the f is that? That symbol up there. What is that? It's like a weird. Oh, it's a heart with hands. That's why I need glasses, yo. I thought it was something highly inappropriate. You gotta do is you gotta get real sideways in these things so motherfuckers don't, like, you know what I'm saying, like run into you, because it gives that impression that nobody's in that spot. You gotta imagine if a car is parked on both sides, you gotta try to make it look like there's a bike in here. Let's go get some glasses. Well, bad news. As you can see, I'm not wearing glasses. Okay, you want a polycarbonate, you know, whatever lens, safety lens? I said, yep, it's all right. They went back there, asked the lab, and the lab was like, hell no. They said these things are too, like, curvy and too tight. Just bummed out, because I came all the way out here, and it's like, and I had a feeling, in my head, I thought, I'm going to come up here, there's going to be some bullshit where they're not going to work.
Many months later.
All right, here we are at the official reveal spot. You know, I always pick this creepy ass gate to show off my new products. I didn't ride over here with them on. You know, I wanted to experience this for the first time with y'all. You can trust me that I haven't worn and ridden with these already. The moment of truth. Yeah. I can see. I didn't know what the world looked like, and now I do. I'm now wearing glasses inside of my helmet. What do you think about that? And I can do this. There was a debacle, and it took me a while to get these glasses, which is because it was a sponsored deal, and we didn't go through the normal channels. You see, normally I found out, they would direct you to someone that they would suggest to go get their glasses done, because a normal place can't do them. Basically, we wouldn't have gone through all this issues, you know, but sometimes that's how things go with sponsored things. I've had sponsored things where, like, we get a product, no instructions, like you're missing, like, stuff because it was a hookup. Sometimes these things happen. But thank you, Flying Eyes, for my flying... Woo! I wish I was flying, dude. I saw a paramotor dude over there a minute ago off in that direction, and I had hate jealousy. I'm eventually gonna explain all that. Let's not get into this. This is a happy time. Look, I can now do wheelies, and I can see if that car behind me is a cop, and it's not. There's actually no one behind me, but you know, you get the idea, right? Can I wheelie? It's not like the most high output motor, you know, but there's even like more torquey engines. There's just something about the way a grunty motor delivers power that's just like, yes, this is what all engines should do. And you can always do these little wheelies off like bumps in the road. I'm exploding my exhaust box at you. Here comes Men in Black. Won't you remember? Kind of wanted to come out at this time of night when it's getting dark out, because this is my crux without glasses. Is that how you say that word? I think I'm using the word right though. We'll call it. It's not my good times when it starts getting dark and I don't have my glasses on. Right now everything's sharp as that's S-T-O-P. I can read that. This helmet's pretty cool. I'm liking it. Shark hooked it up, and I actually have two more of these. One's white and one's like a flat black, and I'm gonna give them away. I'll dump a video after this one, like another day or so. Say thank you to Shark. Thank you, Shark. Thank you, boys. The Shark helmet boys. They're French, you know. The French, they're all right. I mean, you know, we based our government on them before we screwed it all up. Viva la resistance! Let's do wheelies. I had one of those for like 5 minutes. I kind of ran that light, didn't I? I don't know if they got cameras at that one. I don't see any. Get some of that Walmart gas. Y'all wanna know something crazy? Since you gone this far in the video, you want to know something just absolutely wild? You want to know something crazy? I think I may have purchased a bike the other day. It may be sitting in my garage right now. I don't know if you can see anything off of this camera. I'm doing like the cut thing because I think I got a new project. It is a bike of the Braps. And I guarantee you're not gonna be able to guess which one it is. Something different, something you do not see every day, but it's my unicorn, bro. It's what I wanted so bad back in the day. Old school supermoto and if you could guess it, I'd be impressed. I might even send you like a DM being like, you got it, bro, but I ain't telling everybody else. But it is a project. This thing's gonna have to come apart. Don't freak out though when you see it. It's gonna be reborn as a kick-ass motard, and I'm so pumped about it. I do love making these wrenching videos. I liked working on the FZ. I liked working on the Z. You know I'm gonna love wrenching on a motard, especially one that needs a bit of work. It's a great platform. That's the for sure thing. I'm just riding out in the dark because I normally can't. I just think I'm like, man, look, it's cooler out. Wow, you squid. Just because I can see doesn't mean f all for anything else, especially regarding any talent, apparently. Remember, you get yourself some flying eyes glasses. Coupon code Stubby Leg Dan. Coupon code Pushover Dan's Glasses. They really did not believe me when I said I wanted coupon code Pushover Dan's Glasses or something like that. They're like, yeah, but really? I was like, no, really? I'll see if I can change it. Take care, goat. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. Wow, I suck at this. I need my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Well, y'all want to know something really? I want to, hey.